The argument given here states that vegetables have more nutritional value than fruits, but since beans have more nutritional value than greens, therefore the conclusion is that vegetables have more nutritional value than greens. Okay, so option D says, the statement says any of the following statements if introduced into the argument as an additional premise would make the argument above logically correct. So the argument will become logically correct if fruits and beans are same, if fruits and beans have same nutritional value, if fruits are more nutritional than beans, if fruits are more nutritious than greens, right? So in all the three circumstances, vegetables will have, we can conclude that vegetables have more nutritional value than greens. Okay, option D says fruits and beans have the same nutritional value. If fruits and beans have the same nutritional value, then we can say that vegetables have more nutritional value than greens, because vegetables in any case has more nutritional value than fruits, right? So option D can be concluded, makes the argument logically correct. C says fruits have more nutritional value than beans. So if fruits have more nutritional value than beans, therefore then we can logically conclude that vegetables will definitely have more nutritional value than greens. So C also makes the argument logically correct. B says fruits have more nutritional value than greens. If fruits have more nutritional value than greens, then definitely vegetables have more nutritional value than greens. So B also makes the argument logically correct. A says beans have more nutritional value than vegetables. If beans have more nutritional value than vegetables and beans have more nutritional value than greens, then definitely it will not be possible to compare the nutritional value of vegetables with greens, and therefore we cannot conclude the given argument logically, and therefore option A is the correct answer.